Right, hello. It's Wednesday morning, the 27th of September. We've had 3 days of quite strong winds now. I've done a video on the Monday saying about the canners getting blown over. Here they are, still blown over, but we'll stake them up. I just thought I'd show you the some of the other issues we've had. And we've got this weedy looking thing. It's quite large. It's over 7 foot. It's one of these ones that I haven't got a clue what it is. I just grew from seed at the beginning of the year. So that's suffered from the wind, and I'll probably just rip that out. That weren't anything special anyway. So on the Monday morning we did have up 50-mile-per-hour gusts. Luckily the most of the canners held up alright, other than a lot of the petals of the flowers getting blown off. But I just wanted to really show you the all the blades from the cord lines. So this is what you get when you get a wind. You get hundreds of these come down everywhere. Obviously all the old fronds, making a bit of a mess. So you end up pulling them out everywhere. So I have to go around and pick all them up. So that is, like I say, really the only downside. To the cord lines. So they're hardy and good looking trees, but yeah, do make a mess. But other than that, most things have held up okay through the winds. Hopefully they should start easing down today. I mean, obviously we are in the month, come up to October, where we do tend to get the winds, and surprisingly all the trees at the back have held on to their leaves so far, but they're still looking green at the moment, but I'm sure they'll soon change and they'll all drop their leaves and we'll get more mess in the garden. But yeah, just a little quick look just to show you what's going on really. I'll be doing some more videos over the next few days about some of the winter protection I'll be doing, some of my plans, and I have dug out a few canners, again not due to the fact that they need protecting or need moving or anything. Well, it is because they need moving. They were in a place I didn't want them, so I've dug them out, whacked them in pots, and I'll just put them in the cold greenhouse and move them to where I want them next year. But yeah, in general, things are starting to look a bit tired and a bit battered, but yeah, a few rips on the elephant ears due to the wind. Yeah, a bit of tidying up to do, a bit of cutting back, and just general maintenance, I guess. Alright, that's just a quick one for you, and I'll catch you on the next one. Thanks for watching.